We are very excited about introducing this product to you. But before we do that, Bronco has a lot of legacy and success in motorsports, so we want to just bring some of that here for you. In 1969, everybody knows about Rod Hall, Baja 1000, production 4x4, winning overall, first time that a 4x4 won overall, and the only time that it's ever done that. So here we have Shelby Hall driving the 1969 Rod Hall Bronco. Great truck. I love the look. I love the sound. So that was a big deal. And in 2019, we wanted to honor that. So we created the Bronco R to honor the 50th anniversary. So we entered this in the 2019 Baja 1000, the 2020 Baja 1000. Great proof point for us. Learned so much about it, proved the durability of this architecture. Earlier this year at Ultra 4 King of the Hammers, we introduced 2 more racing Broncos. So this first one here with battle scars from a win at Oklahoma 2 weeks ago, and a Bronco 4400. But Bronco, it's our brand, it's our outside brand for built wild and 4x4 only vehicles. So to build on that, in 2020, we entered the Bronco Sport in the Rebel Rally. So for the X-Cross class, we had a win in 2020, and then in this year, 2021, we went back with Bronco Sports again, and with Broncos in the 4x4 class, all trucks finishing, winning the cross class, and also finishing 4th in the 4x4 class. But that's the past. And in motorsports, we are always looking forward. What's the next challenge? What are we going to do? And this one we've been working on for a while now, and that's what we want to share with you today. What we wanted to do is bring a production Bronco that is the first of its kind, turnkey racer that you can buy, put some decals on it, put a race number on it, take it to the Baja 1000 and race. What I'd like to introduce is a turnkey Bronco racer, desert racer. It's a 2023 Ford Bronco DR. Woo! Listen to that. That is a V8. It's a 5-liter Coyote V8. Large tires and wheels, large travel on the suspension. So this is different, and the difference is all this racing that we've done in these other classes is more about learning and factory support. What makes this different is this will be a production vehicle that you can buy and you can compete in. And that's very, very important to extend Bronco and accessibility and be able to go racing with it. So this will be racing in 2022. Where Broncos should be racing in the desert, in the Baja 1000. So we're very excited about that. And then we'll be taking orders in late 2022. This is a production Gen 3 5-liter Coyote V8. Lots of power available from that in this installation.
As you can see, that the Bronco's got a fantastic legacy in motorsport, and to be given the opportunity to sort of pen another chapter in that story was really cool.
There's a lot on Bronco DR that we've put together because, again, this is production. We're not wasting time. We want to get this into people's hands and go have fun. Thank you for being here. We really appreciate it. It's an exciting week for us. We hope that this is exciting to you, and thanks.